Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your coordinate system when snaps act weird using the easy method. This is a great way to align your drawing board back to the true factory settings on your current setup session so your mouse tools stop missing your lines. Step 1. Check the compass cube in the top corner. The first step is to look at the small direction box sitting in the upper corner of your drawing screen to see if your workspace map has been accidentally twisted around. Move your eyes to the top right corner of your main drawing canvas, locate the small steering cube icon, and check the words written on it. Look to see if the direction text says anything other than the standard word top, or if the little compass needle is pointing sideways. Because if you accidentally twist your map view while working, your mouse tools will try to snap to lines using a crooked angle path. You have to check this visual guide first so you can confirm that your system map is actually out of alignment. Without this step, you might keep changing your mouse buttons when the real problem is that your whole drawing board is sitting sideways. Step 2. Type the World Map Reset command into your bottom action line to force the software to drop any custom tilts and go back to the standard global map layout. Move your pointer down to the empty typing bar at the very bottom of your screen, type the letters UCS on your keyboard, and press the Enter key. Look at the bottom text line choices that pop up and look for the specific option that represents the standard layout. Because typing this basic shortcut opens up the master positioning engine of your drawing software. When your mouse pointer acts glitchy, it is usually because the app is calculating your shapes from a temporary custom starting point instead of the true center spot. By opening this system path, you get ready to clear out the custom settings that are confusing your tools. Step 3. Verify your view and test your shape snaps. Type the word plan into your bottom typing row, hit Enter twice in a row, and then use your mouse to click on the corners of your lines. Watch your layout snap to a perfectly flat top-down view and move your cursor near a shape to ensure the green catching boxes light up instantly without lagging. Because sometimes your camera angle stays tilted even after you fix the map underneath it. Running this clean plan check matches your eyes to the new straight map rules perfectly. Now your system alignment setup is completely finished and your drawing canvas is perfectly stable. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. And that's it. To set coordinate system to WCS when snaps act weird, you must first look at the compass cube in the top corner to see if your view is twisted. Then you type UCS into your bottom bar to open up your position options. Finally, you type Plan and hit Enter twice to reset your camera and get a flat, clean workspace canvas for easy clicking. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.